Hey everyone, today I would like to show how to do the data mapping for our AX series controller from our VTScada. Okay, because our VTScada support the data driver and it also support the AX series also. And this this video will demonstrate how to do the data mapping for the AX series controller. Okay, so this one. Right now, from VTScada side, I will show you first. From VTScada side, as we normally do, we will create the port to connect to the AX series AX controller. So right now, I'm using AX308E controller, and its IP address is 192.168.1.5, and the port number is 502. Okay, and then I created the driver. Driver is you can choose the data driver and choose the A series and give the station ID. It's the Modbus TCP. And this one, I monitor the bit value, input bit, output bit, input byte, output byte, and memory what value also. Okay. So before that, I already created the AX program, some simple program to do the data mapping. So if you from AX side, I already select the AX308E controller, and also the if you want to do the variable, append the variable, you can do like this. Okay, so maybe IN1 is mapped to the IX 0.0, Q1 is QA 0.0. Okay, so I write the simple program. Okay, I already write it, and I will download to the AX308 PLC. Okay. Okay, right now the program is running. You see the okay. If I enable the IN1, all the output Q1 to QA is already turned on. So from VTScada side, if you want to do the data mapping, you can directly use the address. Okay, for example, right, I 0.0 is the input bit, and QA 0.0, 0.1 up to 0.7 is output bit. You can see the address value. Okay, this is for the input bit, and these are the output. Okay, so this is input bit and output bit. Another one is okay. Right now I will move the data to the MW0. Right now I input the M270 to MW0. Okay, so okay, I will turn on the. Okay, right now it already moved to MW0. The value is 270. So if I monitor from VTScada, okay, MW0, data type is what? Okay, this one is VTScada address selection provide the predefined address type. So you can select from here MW bit and what value. Okay, so 270. But if you want to get the memory byte value, MB or GB or IB, maybe you need to configure again to do this byte value and also the okay. So if you want to get the byte value from the word value, you can do calculation. You can create calculation tag, and use the expression. For example, 270. 270 is okay when we separate high by and low by, and we get the 2 phases and 14, right? Okay, this is this 8-bit value and 8-bit value total 16-bit. Okay, 2 phases and 14. So if you want to get the low by value, use the expression. Okay, this one. This one is the reminder value. Okay, you can use this expression, and also high bytes you can divide divide the word value by 2 phases and change to integer. Okay, so 14 and 1 you can double check with the AH monitor table. 14 and 1. Okay, so you get this value. So if you want to get the each separate memory bit, you can use MH. Okay, this is the predefined. You can use that. Okay, MH 0.0, 0.1 up to 0.16. Okay, and you will see that MH 0.0, 0.1, MH 0.2, MH 0.3, and MH 0.8 are turning on. Okay, the total memory word value is 270. Okay, so that's all for today. How to demonstrate how to do the data mapping from the AH controller, our data A series controller, data mapping from VTScada. Okay, thank you.